Forgot to mute. All right. Let me bring my video back on here. Sorry, I was just getting done. Hey, everybody. Oh, I'm still spotlighted. Hey, everybody. Well, I'm getting used to how to work Zoom after 6 months of working Zoom. Where's that little button that turns off spotlight? Oh, here it is. It says remove spotlight. All right, I'm back.
Hey, what a guy.
All right, there we go. How are y'all, folks? It's good to see you. It's Tom here with Irish Night of Blue live stream concert series once again. We're a little late this week. Sorry for that, but we have a great show coming up for you next week. I am here with Mr. Hanz Araki and Colleen Raney, all the way from the wilds of Springvale, Maine. That's nowhere you need to know about, but it's in the western southern part of Maine. They've got a nice little tidy farm down there that they have been renovating and putting lots of effort into and making some good music out of as well. So very happy to have them on the live stream next week. That's going to be December 9th at 8 p.m. Eastern Time. It's going to stream on Facebook and on YouTube on the Irish Night at Blue channel on either one of those. So look for that and please join us in real time if you can. If not, watch it later and put in some comments. We'll be asking for some lovely donations, of course. This is the extension of Hans' annual birthday gig. He tends to do one at Blue for his birthday every year, sometime around, it's the 7th, I believe, right?
Correct.
So it'll be a couple days later. He'll be 2 days into his 50th decade, or fifth decade, I guess you should say, 50th year, and we'll be very excited to see how he's feeling and if he's up for the show. He might need to take some breaks, maybe get a little oxygen in between songs this time, but we sure will get through it. Lots of gigs to go. So, hey guys, how you doing? Thanks for joining us.
Really good.
I include you sooner or later. It just takes me a while sometimes. Uh, really appreciate you doing the show, and thanks for being on today. I'm looking forward to it. How's life treating you in the pandemic down there on the farm?
Honestly, I couldn't be more grateful for 10 acres.
Yeah.
Like, it makes the whole social distancing thing kind of it's automatic when you.
Yeah, well, you're on a farm, so now you're used to it anyway, because that's probably the way it's going to stay. But that is handy, 10 acres. And when the zombies come, you got all that room to build fences and dig traps. That's really handy. I might have to come down, you guys.
I was gonna say there's plenty of room for all you.
Yeah.
I'll bring my own steak, beer, or whatever. Uh, all right. Well, once again, folks, we're going to be live on the air on Irish Night of Blue, Facebook or YouTube, December 9th, 8 p.m. Eastern Time. I hope you can join us. We only got a few left of these, 3 more to go, including this one, and then taking a little break, and we'll see what happens next year as we go through and see how motivated I get, honestly. But do you guys want to give us a little sample of what we might hear next week now? Great. Let it rip.
1, 2, 3, 4. Johnny Toddy gained an ocean for to sail across the sea, and he's left his own dear Jeannie weeping on the green oak quay. Weep no more, my own dear Jeannie, take your bed upon your knee, and I'll return and we'll be married down upon the green oak quay. Johnny Todd in search of riches for Australia he is bound, and some endless riches for to sail the world around. Weep no more, my own dear Jeannie, take your bend upon your knee, and I'll return and we'll be married down upon the green oak quay. Weep no more, my own dear Jeannie, take your bed upon your knee, and I'll return and we'll be married down upon the green oak quay.
Tom's muted.
We can't hear you.